Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Let's get started. Monday, there's no trade rooms. We'll start Tuesday at 8 a.m. in the room with core durable goods and Canada's CPI. We'll be back at 9:30 for CB consumer confidence and new home sales. Back at 4:15 p.m. on Monday for the API crude oil report, and then 9:15 for Australia's CPI. That's in the evening. Wednesday, 10 a.m. we'll be in the room for crude oil inventories. 12:30 p.m. for the 7-year note auction, and then there is no trade room for the 9:30 p.m. Australia retail sales report. Just keep an eye on it. Thursday, 7:45 a.m. we'll be in the trade room for German CPI, final GDP, and unemployment claims. Back at 9:45 a.m. for pending home sales and natural gas storage, and then 9:15 p.m. for Chinese manufacturing, non-manufacturing. Friday at 5 a.m. Now, no trade room for the European CPI flash estimate, but keep an eye on that on the euro. We'll be in the trade room starting at 8 o'clock on Friday for core PCI's price index and personal income and spending, and Canada GDP. Back in the room at 9:20 for Chicago PMI and the revised University of Michigan, which is a family money trade. And then finishing out the week at 11:30 a.m. quarterly grain report, or the grain stock report as it's often called. That's also our free YouTube stream of the month. So I'm looking forward to seeing everyone in the trade room next week. Hope you're having an awesome weekend, and I'll see you soon. This is Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades.